So hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a YouTube channel. We will see how to customize YouTube channel and we will learn about YouTube SEO also. So some of you now might ask, what is YouTube SEO? It is basically search engine optimization which helps your channel and videos to get ranked under YouTube searches as well as Google searches. So let's start the video without any delay. In order to create a YouTube channel, you must have a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, then it's good. And if you don't have, then you can simply search create a Gmail account on Google. Click the above link, click here, and after filling these details like first name, last name, your desired Gmail ID, your desired password, and after clicking on next, just verify your mobile number, and after that, your Gmail account will be ready. So I'm just assuming that most of you have Gmail account, and so I'm moving forward to create my YouTube account. So just click on sign in, enter your desired email ID. Now enter your password of your Gmail ID. Okay, so now you are signed in the YouTube. So just come here, click on this icon and click here on create a channel. Okay, so it is asking upload a picture. You can upload any picture here, your photo or any logo, or if you don't have any logo you can just simply come here on canva.com. It is a website, you can make any logo. Okay, so after clicking on create channel, YouTube dashboard will appear. Now here also you can change your profile photo simply by uploading any photo here. You can create banner image and you can choose to upload video watermarks also. Now there are some instructions for your photo for banner image, like your photo should be at least 98 by 98 pixels and it should not be more than 4 MB, and your banner image should be at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and it should be less than 6 MB. Now in order to create your banner image or your logo, you can simply come here on canva.com. You will find plethora of templates here. Just simply create a free account here and click on create a design. You can choose custom size from here. Your requirement was 98 by 98 pixels, so you can choose minimum size 98 by 98 or any size more than that. Just click on create a design. You can consider any background here, like initially it is white background. You can change it to gray or black or whatever you want. You can upload any file from here just clicking on upload media. You can choose any background image from here. It provides free images from Pixabay and Pexels. Just click here, search any template like sun. There will be lots of images regarding sun. Just click here, drag and drop here. Just right click here and replace background. Background will be replaced by just simply doing that. You can choose from pixels also. Just search anything you want, like ocean. Lots of images will appear. Just simply right just simply click here and drag and drop here. Right click here and replace background. Your background image will be replaced. Okay, so you can choose any element to make your logo. Just search any letter or any word you want, like in my case I'm just typing M. It is showing many results regarding that. I'm choosing this one. You can flip here also, like click here and just choose flip vertical. Now it is flipped. Okay, so that is how you can simply create a logo from canva.com. And after completing your logo, just click here on download and you can simply download logo from here. Download. Now after downloading your logo, you can simply upload here. Just click here and select your file and select your range, whatever range you want. Customize here if you want, then click on done. Your logo is published now. And regarding banner image, I'll make a separate video because it is a lengthy procedure. So now click here on publish. Your logo is done. Now in order to customize your channel, just click here on customize. In basic info, you can give any description regarding your channel, like hello, I will teach you on my YouTube channel for free. You can see your channel link here. You can simply copy here. If you want to share it, you can add your social media links here. Just add title like Instagram and just give your Instagram profile link here. You can give your email ID here for the people who want to contact you, like abc@gmail.com. You have to give your URL here if you are adding something in link title, otherwise your page won't be published. Okay, so now I'm deleting here. Click on publish. Now you can view your channel. You can upload any video from here. Just clicking here, upload a video. You can select file and you can choose anything from here. Let's come to dashboard. Here channel subscribers are shown. Channel summary is shown here, like how many views you got in last 28 days. Content box. This is analytics option where brief description is shown, like how many views you got in last 28 days, how many watch times you achieved, how many subscribers you get in last 28 days, or you can change the timeline from here, last 90 days, last 365 days. It is not clickable here because I just created a new account. You can add subtitles on your videos from here. You can check copyright if there is any copyright on your videos. Okay, this is how you customize your channel. Now just go to settings. You can choose any currency here, like INR or USD, whatever you want. Then go to channel, then click India. Keywords. Now this is the option. You have to use your keywords in order to get ranked your channel in SEO. You have to use some hashtags, like if your whatever your channel name is, use your hashtags accordingly. Like my channel name is MW Academy, so I will use hashtags like MW Academy, MW space Academy. Whenever someone searches like MW ACADE, then your channel will automatically appear in the searches. This is how this setting works. Okay, click on save. In advanced settings, you can use options accordingly, like do you want to set your channel as made for kids? No, I want to review this setting for every video. This is the preferable. automatic captions, display the number of people subscribe to my channel. You can verify your phone number from here also, like text me the verification codes, select your country, enter your mobile number like 872256 something like that, and get code. When you get code, just enter here and you will be verified. I don't recommend you to fill in these options initially. Okay, now what is this license? Standard YouTube license, and another one is Creative Commons attribution. The standard YouTube license is this is something that if we are uploading any video, then it is your content and no one can use without your permission. And if you are using someone else content, then you will have to use Creative Commons attribution in that video, and you cannot copy anyone's video which comes under standard YouTube license. Okay, so you can also choose category, like which category the video comes in. You can choose the language of video, you can choose caption. This is the option where you what comments you want to approve and what comments you don't want. Like if you disable comments, no comment will be shown on your videos. If you choose hold all comments for review, whenever someone comments on your video, then first it will come under review. When you approve, then only it will be published. Okay, so after that just save here. It is not coming now because I have already saved, and then close from here. Okay, this is how you customize your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you learned something new, then considering subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will suggest you to do this on laptop or desktop only, because if you do this on mobile application, then you don't get so much of customization options. So if you don't have any desktop or laptop, you can simply open your Chrome browser on mobile, then on the three dots go to desktop site, click on that, and you will be able to browse the YouTube as just like that you browse on desktop or PC. Okay, so I have started a complete YouTube series in which I will be teaching from scratch to complete YouTube monetization. So if you want to learn more, considering subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video among your friends. Okay.